Hi, my name is Aimin Uzarfan, and I am the team leader of All For Not Found. And I was responsible for the community module during this development phase of Pintarkod. So without further ado, let's go to the Jira. This is the Jira for my part. And next part is the deployment. So for the deployment, we use Ivan to push our database, MySQL database, to live, which is running right now. And we use Render to host our app as an APK, which can be downloaded here from GitHub. I've run the app. This is from live database. This is a live database from Ivan. As you can see, it is working. And for my part, it's the forum, which is here. You can see we can delete the post. We can edit the post, which is all I've shown in the Jira just now. And we can also, for the data validation, we can check here, which is when we can see the file size limit, the backticks, and if there is nothing posted, we need recharacter. If no description, which need all the description. For the improvement, which I want to implement a dark mode. If possible, it was already implemented but not finalized in the app because the stakeholder prefer light mode. So for the GitHub contribution, I think most of the code here was done by me because most of the commits are done by me. But this is some of them are recommit from my team members commit, which is I fix and clean the code. And next part is the queue checklist. This is the queue checklist of the app. As you can see, I justified why some of unchecked box was not there. So for the navigation embed, we didn't do this to prevent conflicts and no something because there is no exam or something that is more to game-based learning. And then for the refresh, because it is mainly a mobile application, we use the pull to refresh. And I don't think it is working as intended. And as for the UAT testing, I was involved in most of the module because they need to cross-check their code before merging with me. Involved in all of this UAT testing from UAT testing 1 until the final UAT testing. And for the system documentation, I've also done a lot for this part. So what I did was from the first page to the second page, and then the first part, which is the introduction here, also the 3.1, the architecture style and rationale was done by me. The whole part of data design was also done by me, which is the entity of the app. Also the UI of the app screenshot from Perpex for student and teacher was also done by me here, which is the screenshot and the description of the UI. And the video case of Sulam. So during the video part, I was responsible for recording the function of the function of the app, which is the app demo. I declared that all the code and documentation features was done by me and my own effort, except for the application icon. So the application icon was from the Expo library, which is imported in the top code, which is this Expo vector icon. So everything except the icon was fully by me. The extra effort is the system i18n function, which is this part i18n. This is the dual system function, a dual bahasa function, which is in the setting. We change the app into English